Pound dollar, one of the super hot trade for me. Well, it means that it's a super good trade and I can have some opportunity to ride on the higher time frame. So for this instance, we do have the weekly chart, Bearish Shark Pattern formation. We have a very nice and pretty magic candle formation, which I want to get ahead of it to short it, right? And I'll not engage on the weekly chart, but because easily I will have hundreds of pips of stop loss even without adding the buffer, right? So I'm looking at this trade at least 250 pips of stop loss for this, right? And it'll be too crazy for me to do that. I'll head down to lower time frame to look for opportunity, something like a daily chart, a retest of resistance at 1.3427 could be one of it. For our chart, I do have a bullish shark pattern for a buying opportunity. And if this form up, then I'll wait for the bearish 5-0 pattern to short it. And that would help me to get into the position for the weekly chart. So you see how I plan my trade for the long term, right? And if you want to learn this technique and stuff like that, and able to apply in a consistent manner, drop me a DM, right? So 1 hour chart, to be honest, nothing much for myself, but for whatsoever reason, if the market hit down to the lower price, 1.3251, then I might just have a buying opportunity on this bullish shark pattern. Well, while 15-minute chart might give me a deep godly pattern for a shorting opportunity, we all know that to engage a chart based on weekly charts and, you know, to engage on the 15-minute using the 15 minutes stop loss is a bit far-fetched because it's just too close, right? Because on the weekly chart perspective, a small move is still within the structure might just invalidate this entire thing. I'm not saying that you can't do that. If you chose to do that, just have a mental preparation. There's a chance that you will hit a lot of stop losses, and, you know, before you know it, the trade will go in the favor, right? And got you very angry, right? And sometimes if you choose not to put a stop loss, that's the worst decision you can make, because not all trade will turn out profitable. And if this hit the stop loss and on a 15-minute chart you don't place it, you can just imagine for most traders that never follow the good risk management portfolio or profile, your account will be margin called, which means you lose everything. That's not a smart way of doing it, right? So you want to learn the smart way of trading and structured way of trading, and you love the research and trading we've done for the past 20 years, drop me a DM.